Today's story is about two brave twin brothers who got lost in the cold, and how love, courage, and brotherhood led them safely back home. The story. Nicholas and Tom were twin brothers, small, curious, and full of energy. They were 8 years old, always exploring the world together. Wherever one went, the other followed. Their mother often said they were two hearts in one body. One cold winter afternoon, snow covered the ground like a soft white blanket. The boys went outside to play. They threw snowballs, made snow angels, and pretended they were great explorers discovering a new world. They laughed so much that they didn't notice they were slowly walking away from their house. After a while, the sky started getting darker. The wind grew stronger and colder. The trees around them looked tall and strange, and the boys suddenly realized they had gone too far. Tom stopped walking. "Nicholas, I don't know where we are," he whispered. His voice trembled, not only from the cold, but also from fear. Nicholas felt a small pain in his chest. But he stayed calm for his brother. "It's okay, Tom. I'm here," he said gently. Tom's hands were turning red from the cold. His nose was freezing, and he started to shake. Nicholas quickly took off his warm scarf and wrapped it carefully around Tom's neck. Then he pulled off one of his gloves and placed it on Tom's small hand. "But you'll be cold," Tom said. "I'm the big brother," Nicholas smiled, "even if only by 2 minutes." He opened his arms and hugged Tom tightly. Their breath filled the cold air like little clouds. In that moment, Tom felt safe again. "Let's walk," Nicholas said. "We will find something familiar." The two brothers held hands and started walking slowly through the snowy path. They listened carefully to the world around them. They heard the sound of distant dogs barking. They smelled smoke from someone's fireplace. They saw a single warm light shining far away. "We must be close to the village," Nicholas said. They walked past a large oak tree, then a broken wooden fence they once climbed over in summer. Step by step, memory by memory, the world around them started making sense again. But the cold was strong. Their feet felt heavy, and Tom's legs were shaking. "I'm tired," Tom whispered. "Just a little more," Nicholas said, holding his brother's hand tighter. "Think of Mom. She's waiting for us." Tom nodded and took a deep breath. Together, they pushed forward. After a long walk, they saw something shining through the snow, the old metal mailbox at the end of their street. "We're home!" Nicholas said with a burst of joy. Tom's tired eyes lit up. The boys started running, slow at first, then faster and faster, until they reached the small house with the yellow door. Before they could knock, the door flew open. Their mother ran outside, tears already in her eyes. "Oh, my boys!" she cried as she hugged them both, pulling them close as if she would never let go. "I was so scared," she whispered into their hair. "Thank God you're safe." Inside, she wrapped them in warm blankets and sat them near the fire. She made hot chocolate with extra marshmallows, their favorite. The twins sat side by side, sharing one big blanket, smiling softly. That night, the wind kept blowing outside, but inside the house, everything was calm, warm, peaceful, full of love. Nicholas looked at Tom and said, "See, I told you we would find the way." Tom leaned on his brother's shoulder. "We always will," he replied, "as long as we stay together." And so they slept, safe at home, with hearts full of courage and gratitude.